It is like noon, and I talked about getting a change done in my previous vlog, and the change that I'm going to be getting done is my hair. I'm going to be getting a balayage and a trim slash mini cut, and I'm really excited because I haven't dyed my hair in so long, probably like 5 years now, but I decided I really want to change things up, especially since it's gonna be summer now. I'm gonna drive there now, and then I'll be vlogging a little bit of the process, and yeah, I'm really excited.
Money. Money.
I love it.
Oh, yes. You're so cute.
I'm here with Jess, and we are about to watch the movie American Psycho, which I've been wanting to watch, but I've been scared to watch it alone, so I made Jess come over. No, I'm just kidding. Jess came over because she likes me. It's raining really bad outside. Yeah, I saw a tree fall. It was scary. Yeah, I was driving to her house, and I saw like a chunk of a tree just fly across. I was like, the world's gonna end. This is my hair, by the way. I never like
dyed
said
it.
Yes.
Look.
This is the end result.
Wait, you gotta wait for it to focus.
It's like, it's a nice golden tone.
Yes, it is.
Hey guys, we are currently at the airport and we are waiting for it to be boarding time. I'm sort of hungry, but I'm excited to see what they have on the plane for me because I called in early and requested a vegan meal, so I will show you guys what they have. I'll check back with you guys when we are on the plane. Currently on the plane, and I'm about to watch a movie. I was just reading my Kindle a little bit, but now I'm kind of tired, so I'm going to watch the movie. We got some socks, a toothbrush, an eye mask, and earplugs. I'm currently watching Lady Bird, and I probably should be sleeping, but I'm on a plane and I kind of don't feel like sleeping. Kind of do, but I kind of don't. So we'll see what happens. I might just fall asleep. But here is what's Hey guys, so we just landed in Warsaw, or in Polish, Warszawa, and I am extremely tired. I don't know if you can tell, but for some reason I can't sleep on planes. I don't know if it's just me. If there's anyone else like that, let me know, because a lot of people I know just sleep on planes, but I just can't do it. Now we're just waiting for our connecting flight to Kraków, or Krakow, I think in English. I'm probably gonna buy some iced tea to wake me up because I don't drink coffee. We're just chilling, waiting for the plane to come, and I'll keep you guys updated, but I probably won't be doing much today because I'm extremely tired. But tomorrow I will start vlogging more, and I'll take you guys along with me wherever I go. Literally, my eyes are red. I'm just really tired. But I'm excited to be in Poland, so I'm happy that I'm here, and I am going to another country very soon, and I will update you guys, of course, where I'm going, but I won't announce it just yet. just landed in Krakow and now we are waiting for our baggage. Hopefully it comes soon, and then we are going to head to our hometown. Also, excuse me if I look like a potato because I just got off of an 8-hour flight. I'm happy to be here and positive vibes only, so I'm gonna keep vlogging for you guys, of course, and I will talk to you guys later. Today, I'm going to be flying a drone for the first time, so I decided that I will vlog it for you guys and show you how I do. I'm about to go hang out with my friend Mateusz. I believe it's Matthew in English, and we are going to be flying his drone. He's going to teach me how to fly a drone. I've never done it before, but I love the way drone footage looks, and I would love to have my own drone, so he's letting me borrow his, so thank you, Mateusz. Shout out to him. And he said I'll probably fly it into a tree, but I think he's underestimating my ability to fly a drone, but we will see. We'll see. Hopefully I don't fly it into a tree because it's his drone. I also wanted to show you guys my hair because I never actually gave you guys like a finished result shot. So I want to show you guys how it came out. I absolutely love it. I am in love with it. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. I'm obsessed. I got it done at the gallery, and my hairstylist was Melanie. She is super sweet and she did such an amazing job. So I'm so glad that she did my hair. And of course, I will link down the salon information below in case you want to get your hair done there as well.
That means you're extra.
Now the next day, and we are about to go to town, and that's what they say, like, we're going to town because we live kind of like away from the town, kind of like when you say I'm going to the city, I'm going to New York City. And we're just gonna go walk around, see if we can get any souvenirs, any cute stuff, and I will show you guys my outfit. This white top and this jean skirt are from Gap, and my shoes are from the Kendall and Kylie collection. Oh yeah, and these sunglasses are from Guess. I'll finally announce where I'm going to be going. Tomorrow I am going to be going to China. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Traveling is something that I absolutely love to do. It's just an amazing experience, so I am so grateful to be able to go. My flight is tomorrow morning, and I will keep on vlogging and show you guys China, because China.
That means you're extra.
At a park. The weather is so beautiful in Poland, so we decided to go outside. So we're just relaxing here in this pretty park. The weather is so beautiful and I really love it. And tomorrow is our flight, so I gotta get ready for our flight to China, and that's pretty much it. Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. and I'm super tired, but I have a flight to catch, so I had to wake up early today. And not only can I not sleep on planes, but I also have trouble sleeping the day before a flight because I'm always afraid I'm going to oversleep and miss it. That causes me to have anxiety and stress and not be able to get a good night's sleep. So I did not get a good night's sleep, which is why I'm so tired today. I did not have the energy or the time, and I did not want to do my makeup, so I'm not in makeup right now. But I think that it's important to feel confident both without makeup and with makeup. makeup, and I just wanted to talk about that because I think a lot of times girls feel insecure to go out without makeup. I know I definitely did for a really long time. I would not leave the house without makeup. Over the past 2-3 years, I've gotten a lot better with it, and now I'm not ashamed to show that I have acne, and it actually was doing better. Like, as you can see, this side right here is a lot better. My forehead's okay, my chin's okay, but then this side is like, it just broke out a lot, and I think it's because I was flying, so that definitely impacted my skin. And yeah, I just want to talk about that really quickly.